fundamentally, our problems with our life boil down to a couple of fundamental things that we're not doing very well. And the very first thing that we're not doing very well is truth. When we are not focused on what is the truth of the universe, the truth of how everything works, when we are not focused on that, we are going to start to get ourselves in a position now where we enjoy the error. We enjoy the lie, right? Now, when it comes to truth, the opposite of truth, obviously, is the error. Actually, blue is good, red is bad. Right, so I'll write error in red. So, almost everything you will get to do in your future life will fundamentally boil down to the battle between truth and error. And most of us think that our problems in life are very complicated. We believe that, the problems of the world are complicated. But they're actually not very complicated at all, because they fundamentally boil down to, you could say, the battle or the war between truth and error. Now, truth does not battle. It just presents itself and leaves it be. Does that make sense to you? Truth does not battle at all. But error fights to the death for itself to exist.
It fights for itself as truth, doesn't it?
As truth. It presents itself as truth, and if it can't present itself as truth, it attacks the truth. And if it doesn't attack the truth, it fights the truth until it can kill the truth. That's what it does.